So nowadays, in the summer day, we are not able to go outside. Okay, in that hot summer humid day. So there is a better option than that. That is online shopping. We can use several apps like Flipkart, Amazon, Nika, all those apps to do online shopping instead of going that outside in that hot humid place and being sweaty. So I think it should be better option. It would look cocky actually. So
Yeah. Who is going to debunk this?
So if we do online shopping, then we couldn't check the quality of the product. Means for the clothes, if it is cotton or if it is rough quality, how could we check? They just show the picture only. And sometimes it is just that we are ordering green color, they give me yellow color. Then in the shopping mall, what happens? We could see it and we could order it in front of our eyes. So that's
Yeah. Who will debunk that?
Sir, in most of the online apps, there are the options for fabric check. We can check the fabric, means the description is given of the fabric, and also we should check the reviews and then we should buy, na?
Okay.
Rating.
Okay. Who is going to debunk this idea?
Uh, that's right that there is given that description, but there are several incidents when a description is where the description is given that is not correct. Since there is given the description of iPhone, okay, and when it is coming, it is a like a piece of rock. It is happened and it was very much viral some days before. So we are not able to see that product, and that is having a mess on our life.
In such cases, there are also options for open box delivery. In front of the delivery boy, you can check that it is exactly coming or not.
It's better than, it's not, I guess it's not better than going to a shop and buy a phone.
But every time, is it possible to go to the shop and buy?
okay. So when we ordered that phone, means in case of phone, when we ordered that phone, that time I see that picture, it is iPhone. So about an Android phone, how can we check the quality? Means what is the quality of the photo, the videos are captured properly or not? Then in online shopping, how can we do it? You are saying that open box delivery, but when it is ordered that time, na, and sometimes there is not return option.
So you go to Google and then check about, then means go for the brand, take some branded quality phones, then check on that particular brand and that particular model which you are taking. That also is possible. You can check in the social media and in Google platforms everywhere.
But in Google, somebody is typing. If he typed wrong, then
it would depend on you totally. If your hand movement are wrong, nobody can do it. You should think that. If you're typing instead of NL, then nobody can correct it.
Right. Okay.
I will say.
Yeah, he is interested to say.
What the hell?
Guys, all of you are saying that online shopping is better, and you are saying that open box delivery is helpful. But in my opinion, I have an experience. Last month, I bought a phone for my dad. It was an iPhone, and we selected open box delivery, and the delivery partner came and started opening it. But after opening that, he didn't say that it's not possible. He said that it's not possible to switch on the phone. You can go and then on the phone, but they exclaimed that. But when I was in the application, I saw that there is a writing that we cannot replace it, or anything can help. We couldn't help you after the when the open box delivery is done. But after that whole process, when I gone to my room and started it, it was not working properly, and they were not helping me at all, and the statement was not justified at all, because I face all these things. So please
Yeah.
give me a
He
better.
has his practical experience. So, who will say next?
But sir, every time it's not happening, na. It may be an accident, or he had to check it properly before ordering what the statement is given.
They give that it's a
You
open
are
box.
only telling that it was mentioned in the statement that they will not provide any switch on option in the open box delivery. Means they will not switch on it in front of you.
Yup.
Then you should have checked it more before ordering, na. You are checking it after the phone is received.
But it's not a good thing that after giving me the phone that you are not able to replace it, or and it is also not good in good condition. So it's a cheating, yup. I think it's a cheating.
But before, sometimes it may happen, but before ordering, you should check, na.
Yeah, she wants to say.
When you are ordering the phone, you must see that option, the open box delivery, and it is very rarely in that cases the delivery boy is not opening the switch of the phone. It's very rarely in the case.
But they did it, and I'm not lying.
But in the review which had given after review which had given in that time, there is showing that you can the open box delivery, the delivery partner is opening the box and switching out.
But yup, it is really happened that he opened the box, but he didn't say that he will he will switch on the phone, and he was not accepting it. I told him again and again, but he didn't did it. And the statement was you can check the phone while open box delivery the process, but he didn't did it, and I think it's not a good thing because I'm ordering a phone and I'm paying all the amount for a phone, and you said that it's a good phone, and when I get the phone and it is not working properly, so it's not a good thing also.
Right.
But it's your fault when you are ordering the
Where is my fault? Just explain me why is my fault. Why is my
when
fault?
you
Just
are
explain
ordering
me.
the phone, you must see the options while returning the is there returnable option or not.
Yup, yeah. No, they said that after the process of open box delivery, you can't return it.
If you are mixing, in case that it only happened with you,
No, not at all. It happened with many people. Just
many
go-
people, like most of the people gets nice phone, only really some people gets it. If you are comparing personal things with other things, we cannot do anything in that case.
But to be honest, in my statement, I want to add that when you need a phone and you are ordering a phone in online, it takes a lot of time to delivery, and you can go in that time. Meanwhile, in that time, you can go and bought a phone. It's totally not that good at all.
But sometimes when we are buying chocolates or any cold drinks, then they charge us more than the MRP. So is this right?
In these cases, first of all, but first of all, you are changing the statement and the topic also.
But I think it's the opposite. Means in online they take more money, and in that offline they take less money. I think
No, that is your mistake. Most of the time we get offers on online shopping. Most of the time.
uh, when you are ordering something from just offline, you are helping some people, just also that the shopkeeper, that will also advantage of just non using mobile. When you are buying from online market, it comes that you will not use you will not you are just keeping it and just getting it from that particular brand. But when you purchase it some with from someone, he also benefits with that money, and you also can use that thing.
and also in online they take the delivery charge, but in offline they don't take it.
In offline, when you go to market, does the petrol cost doesn't take the petrol? The petrol, what about the petrol? You tell it.
We
You
will
have to
just
pay money. You have to pay money.
Petrol, it's about mobile phone. Why are you bringing petrol inside?
No, that's topic. If you go,
go on food. What?
Arey, if you go there,
You have to go on car. You can go on with food.
but if you go there by any vehicle, then you have to pay that. Let's take Uber. If you go on food in the summer day, you will go.
And
By
what about the timing that you are taking? And what about the timing that you are taking?
you have to keep patient for nice.
No, we have no patience. Then what happened?
What? Emergency delivery option. Yes. Emergency delivery option. There is no delivery option.
They are not.
Online products do not offer that delivery option.
Arey, emergency.
Sir, no need to microphone.
Okay. The voice is ready.
Give the microphone.
No, we don't need to.
Emergency delivery option is there.
But they are not providing.
What?
They are not providing here.
Sir. Sometimes in most of the cases, suppose we need some emergency medicine that is not available in the local stores, then we have to go for online shopping, na?
Nowadays there are shop Blinkit, Big Baskets, all are there now. No Blinkit in push.
They are taking too much time.
Who said?
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Please check it. Yeah.
You say.
They are taking minimum 30 to 40 minutes.
Okay, I understood that they are
And
taking.
you are saying that it's an emergency.
Yes,
40 minutes are
Give him the microphone.
less time.
but it is better that you are getting that within 30 to 40 minutes than not getting it at all, na? If you are going for means offline shopping, you are getting that no medicine is that medicine is not available in the local stores, then you have to go for online shopping, na? Though you are getting it in 30 or 40 minutes, you are getting it, na?
But is it sufficient in emergency times?
But in emergency,
Sufficient for emergency that not getting the medicine.
if
Wait.
To get it in 30 or 40 minutes.
But in emergency times,
If it is not available in the local store, then you have to wait for 1 or 2 weeks. Then it will be better now if you order this. If you order this in online.
if I'm not getting it in the local stores, then I can go the medicine center like MedPlus or any Apollo where I can find all of these. Shut up! It's not about the COVID time. There was lockdown.
What is this?
Yesterday they are saying that we are going to the past. We are not the people of present time.
And now we are going
We are not going to the past. We are not going to the past.
They are hitting to the bush because it's not about pandemic times here. With all countries in these times. How much it is all about pandemic
If
times.
it is not available in the Apollo or MedPlus, then what you will do?
So
You just go to Apollo.
You have to buy from the online.
they are providing me the medicines, okay, but they will take time also.
Hey, let's take my case.